Here it comes, cruising towards me. I'm on the other side of the building that it came out of, on the block over. And same one. I'm all the way now on Western. I started off on Wilton Place, is where it was before. Now, if it was not moving in my direction, you would not be able to still see it over here on Western Avenue. If it did not move in my direction, that primary chopper. Okay? That's all I'm saying. At the angle, you wouldn't see it unless it was moving towards me, which it has been, and it still is now. Slowly but surely. Maybe it can see the light from my camera because the camera light that I have is on, but it is not moving away from me. It's moving towards me. I'm going to eat my sushi, and I'm going to, I mean, look at it. It's coming towards me. Slowly, surely. Sure, I'm paranoid. But that does not mean they're not after me. It's still here. Still here. Right where I am. Now I'm about to get into a vehicle soon. There it goes.